Hello everyone, I am Kiana Marie Mayo. I am a June 2025 graduate from YogaVision's Kundalini Yoga training program. So throughout this program, I learned a lot more about Kundalini than I had known previously. I first learned about it when I was 13. Now here I am, 31, about to graduate the program. And within it and among my peers in the course, we learned about the foundations of Kundalini, it originating in the Sikh faith, and all the different ways that it heals trauma and abuse, and even helps me go about my own shadow work, how I can heal my body on a molecular, on an anatomical level, just through movement and breath work and mantras and mudras, and just... It's really cool for me because it helps me heal my inner child as well. Always feeling something spiritual but not knowing how to or where to express it. So as I learned in this program, I got a chance to do that among my colleagues, and I'm very thankful for that. So my takeaway is that I don't have to hide who I am. My life is centered around spiritual curiosity. And I'm going to find a way to live that out as best I can, because that's what gives me life here, among everything happening. So where I'm going in my future, Kundalini Yoga has helped me along my creative journey as well as my adventurous journey in my life. So in how I show up in my life. So moving forward, I'm continuing work on my book series. It's the story of the universe that existed before our own and how it gave birth to ours. The story is about political uprising and corruption and just so many different concepts. I'm inspired by people like George Lucas, just as you know, just a quick sample. And I'm also working on ways that I will go about my life, perhaps traveling and teaching, learning more about consciousness in the universe and our reality and other forms of spiritual practices. So we'll see where life takes me. But as I am in this moment, I'm very thankful for this program and what I've learned. Satnam.
My name is David. I'm soon to be graduated in June 2025 as a Kundalini Yoga teacher in the YogaVision's Kundalini Yoga teacher training program. So it has been both a beautiful and not challenging thing to do, but sometimes the challenging parts is to sit with it, to sit what is, and to breathe into it, and eventually bless it with love. And I have had good help from Kundalini Yoga. These techniques to gives me just what I need to do just that. To know about the oneness, that my body, mind and spirit is one, allows me to discover and visit the place of oneness within me and all around me, and the connection with the oneness had become more clear to me. And the community, the place of knowing that I now also is more clear that I need other people, and I need the help of other people to see myself and connect with all the Davids inside of me, my inner child and my inner teenager and the many adults, David. So to see, sense and feel myself in a more direct and spiritual and more healing way, that's great. The future, go with the flow, So continue to train to lead myself, and therefore practice to lead other people, to connect with my inner guide, my inner teacher, Om Namo Gurudev Namo, and become the person that I can become. What is my gifts and talents? What do I need to learn before I switch channel? So I'm very thankful to my colleagues in Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Program and to Salimah at YogaVision. So see you next time. Satnam.
Becoming a yoga instructor has always been one of my life dreams. And I had tried many different types of yoga classes, but it wasn't until I discovered Kundalini Yoga that I really felt like I had found home, the type of practice that I was looking for. Kundalini embraces mind, body, and spirit. And like the word yoga says, to bind or unify these aspects of oneself with individual consciousness and universal consciousness. Salimah and the YogaVision teacher training program has been a wonderful practice for me. It was a big commitment for me to enter into this program. Time and energy, and it was worth every bit of it because I learned so much about yoga and about meditation and had the opportunity to practice. All along the way, you are supported by an expert group of practitioners led by Salimah. The modules are rich with information, teaching practices, reading resources, videos, and practice opportunities. So it's very comprehensive, and I would recommend this program to anyone who wants to go deep into themselves and challenge themselves. So thank you to Salimah and to my fellow students, and may your experience going forward with this program be everything that has been for me. Thank you so much. Satnam.